Hey everyone, what we're talking about today is honestly pretty simple, but it's meant to inspire you to find creative ways to be a more minimalist parent and to get your baby outside.
I know that none of you guys want to have a house full of toys that just pile up, toys that get played with one time and then get forgotten in a box. So what I've gotten into doing is making my own toys that then just go back to being normal objects again once we're done playing with them. Rattles are something that help babies with their fine motor skills, will help them later on in life with executive functioning. Like, for example, this jar is going to help Holland to be able to pick up a cup and drink out of it later. The rattling sound attracts them to it and makes them want to develop those skills. Also, the rattling sound teaches them cause and effect. They learn that when they shake it, a sound is going to happen. Funny thing is, she loved this when we did this at home in not the beautiful scenery location. But today, guess what she's more interested in? The beautiful thing about this is that I didn't buy a toy. All I did was I made a toy, and when we're done, it's just a jar again.